Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to link your Govee Wi-Fi devices with SignalRGB in just a few simple steps. Let's dive in. Reset your Govee device before anything else. Make sure to reset your Govee device. If you're unsure how, check the manual, but for most strips, just hold the power button, then tap the middle button 4 times. Next, set up the Govee app now. Head to the App Store, download the Govee app, and create your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, hit the plus icon to add a new device. Your device should show up under nearby devices at the top. Hit add next to it and follow the on-screen instructions. Make sure you're connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. This step is key. Tap the gear icon in the top right corner and enable LAN control. This will allow SignalRGB to communicate with your Govee device. With that set, open up SignalRGB, go to the Network tab and your Govee device should appear there. Head to the Layouts tab in SignalRGB to customize your lighting. And that's it, you're all set to enjoy your Govee lights with SignalRGB. Hope this helped and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.